In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a virtual card on Payoneer. A virtual card is a digital payment card you can use for online purchases and subscriptions without waiting for physical delivery. It's fast to set up, safer than sharing a physical card, and great for managing spending across different merchants or platforms. First, head to myaccount.payoneer.com. This is the secure Payoneer account portal. Once you're in your account, look for the cards option in the main navigation on your dashboard. This is where all your existing cards live and where you'll start the order process for a new one. Open the cards section, then choose Order Card. This brings up the card type options. Here, select the virtual card option. This ensures you're creating a digital card rather than a plastic one, which is ideal for instant online use. When you've selected virtual card, click Next to continue. Next, choose the currency for your virtual card. Select USD. Choosing USD is a good default if most of your spending or subscriptions are billed in US dollars, since it can help reduce conversion fees. Depending on your account setup and region, you may see other currencies in the future, but we'll keep it simple and go with USD for this walkthrough. Before placing the order, review the terms and conditions for the card. Check the agreement box to confirm you understand any applicable fees, usage rules, and card limits. When you're ready, click Order Card. That's it for the setup. After you place the order, you should see a confirmation on screen and your new virtual card will appear in the card section. From there, you'll be able to view the card details securely, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV, so you can start using it for online payments right away. If Payoneer provides 3D secure or one-time reveal features, take advantage of them for extra protection. A few quick tips to help you succeed. Make sure your Payoneer account is fully verified, as eligibility can depend on your account status and region. Keep an eye on your balance and any minimum funding amounts required to activate or use the card. Review fees for card creation, maintenance, currency conversion, and ATM or merchant transactions so there are no surprises. If you spend in currencies other than USD, be aware that conversion rates and fees may apply. And for security, never share your full card details publicly, and consider locking the card from the cards section if you suspect any unauthorized use. That's the complete process for getting a virtual card on Payoneer from start to finish. Thanks for watching and happy budgeting.